Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. I'll be your guide as we dive into the world of top-rated products that have taken Amazon by storm. Today, we're counting down the best-selling polishing and buffing products that are making waves among customers. These products have earned their place in the spotlight due to their exceptional quality, outstanding performance, and rave reviews. Without further ado, let's get started and explore these fantastic finds. Join me as we discover the best of the best in polishing and buffing products available on Amazon. Let's go! Introducing our number 10 pick in the best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon, the HSH Cup Turner Tumbler Cuptisserie Kit. Imagine a tool so stable it feels like it's anchored to the earth itself. Crafted from heavy metal, this machine boasts a rotation speed of 5 to 5 revolutions per minute, ensuring your tumbler epoxy is evenly distributed, making the creation process a breeze. You'll marvel at how effortlessly your tumbler making becomes. Now let's talk convenience. This kit arrives nearly ready to go. No need for a toolbox or a degree in engineering. Just a few screws to connect the pipe and motor and you're off. Perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. It's a user-friendly dream come true. Ever been annoyed by the relentless hum of machinery? Say goodbye to that irritation. Equipped with an upgraded professional balance bearing, this spinner minimizes friction, significantly reducing noise. Even late-night crafting won't disturb the piece. And here's a game changer. It's battery-operated. Powered by 2 AA batteries, included for your convenience, this epoxy mixer is cordless. No more tangled wires or hunting for outlets. Portability at its finest, take it anywhere your creativity flows. The professional epoxy mixer, with a high-quality 180 revolutions per minute motor, includes a forward button for ease of use. Simply place the stirrer in your epoxy-filled cup, press the power button, and watch it work its magic. Efficient, quiet, and time-saving, this mixer minimizes bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish every time. So, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and quiet solution for your DIY glitter epoxy crafts, the HSH Cup Turner Tumbler Cuptisserie Kit is your perfect companion. Craft with confidence and enjoy the seamless process this fantastic tool offers. Number 9 on our list of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their precious metals gleaming. The Reusable Jewelry Cleaning Cloth and Silver Polishing Cloth. This is not just any cleaning cloth. At a generous 11 by 14 inches, it boasts a 4-layer structure that means business. You get a gray cloth and a black cloth, seamlessly sewn together to provide both cleaning and polishing power. Imagine the simplicity of a 2-step system. The white microfiber, infused with cleaning powder, tackles tarnish with ease. Then follow up with the untreated gray or black microfiber for that final, brilliant shine. It's a 1-2 punch for your jewelry's dazzle, but it doesn't stop at jewelry. This cloth is a versatile powerhouse, perfect for silver, gold coins, and all your cherished metal items. Picture yourself effortlessly restoring the metallic luster of your treasures, bringing them back to their former glory. And here's a delightful bonus. It makes a fantastic gift. Imagine the joy on your customers' faces as they receive this thoughtful, practical addition with their jewelry purchase. It's a small investment with a big impact. A quick tip for the seriously tarnished metals: start with a silver polishing liquid to clean the surface, then let the Reusable polishing cloth do its magic, maintaining that impeccable shine. For a cleaner, shinier, more radiant collection of precious items, the Reusable Jewelry Cleaning Cloth and Silver Polishing Cloth is your go-to tool. Bring out the best in your metals with ease and elegance. Stepping into the spotlight at number 8 on our countdown of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon is a crafter's dream. The Cup Turner for Crafts Tumbler Kit. Imagine having everything you need in one box. This starter kit is a treasure trove of creativity, featuring a cup turner, a heat gun, 6.9 FL of epoxy resin, 20 ounces, stainless steel tumbler, 12 glitter powders, and 25 epoxy resin tools. It's the ultimate all-in-one package to kickstart your tumbler crafting journey. The upgraded tumbler turner is an engineering marvel. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it boasts anti-slip pads under the base, ensuring stability even during rotation. The UL-certified motor is not only quiet and safe, but offers two-way rotation, easily switchable with a power switch. Plus, it comes with 2 wands and 2 foams, perfect for drying one cup while you craft another. The clear epoxy resin is ideal for all your casting needs. Assembly is a breeze. The robust construction offers a sturdy frame for sustainable use. With just 5 screws to install, even kids can set it up in a mere 2-3 minutes. The kit includes a step-by-step instruction card and all necessary tools, making it incredibly user-friendly. But we didn't stop there. Based on feedback from nearly 500 users, we've designed and included 3 cup drying racks. More tumblers to work on? No problem. Additional foam and wands, along with the drying rack, allow you to dry half-finished tumblers while you continue crafting, boosting your productivity and business growth. It's a game changer. And for peace of mind, this kit comes with a 1-year warranty. Start creating those dazzling glitter tumblers today. The 2 adjustable foams fit most stainless steel and ceramic mugs. Plus, you're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. Any questions? We're here to help. Unleash your creativity with the Cup Turner for Crafts Tumbler Kit and elevate your crafting to new heights. Number 7 on our countdown of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon is a true gem. The CATIFLIN 2 PCS Multi-Layer Jewelry Cleaning Cloth. Think big, really big. Each of these cloths unfolds to a generous 10 by 12 inches. This large size makes it a breeze to grip and effortlessly clean silverware and jewelry of all sizes. Imagine the ease with which you can bring your precious items back to their radiant shine. The magic lies in its multi-layer, double-sided design. This innovative approach ensures that tarnish and patina are removed swiftly and effectively, while also providing a protective layer to keep your jewelry looking stunning. Gold, silver, platinum. This cloth handles them all with finesse. Crafted from 100% cotton, these lint-free face cloths are infused with a professional, non-toxic cleaning formula. Safe and gentle, they won't scratch your cherished pieces. You can polish with confidence, knowing your jewelry is in good hands. Versatility is key. These cloths aren't just for jewelry. They're perfect for cleaning, polishing, and protecting fine silverware, musical instruments, watches, and even flutes. It's a multi-purpose wonder that fits seamlessly into your cleaning routine. A quick note, each side of the cloth can be used for cleaning and polishing. They're reusable, extending their utility. However, avoid washing them to maintain their effectiveness. Elevate your cleaning game with the CATIFLIN 2 PCs, multi-layer jewelry cleaning cloth, and watch your treasures sparkle like new. Coming in at number 6 on our list of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon is an essential tool for jewelry lovers. The 4 PCs Silver Polishing Cloth Set. Imagine the feel of high-quality microfiber, soft and gentle, yet incredibly effective. These silver polishing cloths won't scrape or damage your precious pieces. Instead, they bring a fresh, polished shine to your jewelry, making them look as good as new. What sets these cloths apart is their ingenious double-sided design. Picture a flip book, simple, elegant, and efficient. The white inner layer tackles dirt and grime, while the gray outer layer brings out a brilliant shine. This 2-in-1 approach simplifies the process, giving your jewelry a stunning makeover in just 2 steps. Using these cloths is a breeze. First, the white inner layer wipes away the surface dirt on your gold and silver jewelry. Then, the gray outer layer polishes it to perfection. 2 easy steps and your jewelry is transformed, radiating its original sparkle and charm. These versatile cloths aren't just for jewelry. They're perfect for necklaces, bracelets, watches, rings, earrings, virtually any metal or gemstone. Whether it's gold, silver, platinum, or stainless steel, these cloths restore their original brilliance. In this set, you receive 4 polishing cloths, 2 dark gray and 2 light gray. That's plenty for all your daily cleaning and replacement needs. They're reusable, making them a practical addition to your jewelry care routine. Just remember, washing them isn't recommended as it could diminish their polishing effectiveness. Enhance the beauty of your treasured items with the 4 PCs, Silver Polishing Cloth Set, and let your jewelry shine like never before. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon? Well, be sure to buff up our spirits by liking, subscribing, and polishing that bell icon so you never miss a shining moment. At number 5 in our countdown of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon, we present the 2 PCS Jewelry Cleaning and Polishing Cloth set by Gel KTAH. Imagine your precious jewelry gleaming like new. This polishing cloth set is perfect for cleaning and polishing gold, silver, platinum, and more. Crafted from 100% pure cotton, these cloths are soft and gentle, ensuring your delicate pieces receive the care they deserve. Consider the convenience of its large size. Whether you're polishing jewelry or the biggest silverware, these cloths make the task effortless. No more struggling to reach those tough spots. It's all within your grasp. These cloths are not just effective, they're reusable and long-lasting. Picture yourself saving money and reducing waste, all while keeping your jewelry shining bright. It's a win for your wallet and the environment. Each set includes a white cloth for cleaning and a gray cloth for polishing, giving you the perfect combination for a flawless finish. Whether it's sterling silver or any other precious metal, the JLKCTH polishing cloth delivers pristine results. Elevate the shine and brilliance of your jewelry with the 2 PCS jewelry cleaning and polishing cloth set by JLKTH, where quality meets care and convenience. At number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon, we have the exceptional 2 PCS Professional Polishing Cloth by JLKTH. Picture this: high-quality, pure cotton flannel, meticulously crafted to be safe and pollution-free. These jewelry cleaning cloths ensure you can polish your treasures with absolute confidence. Let's talk size. These cloths measure a generous 13.6 by 11 inches, giving you a larger cleaning area. This means more flexibility and ease when it comes to making your jewelry sparkle. Imagine your gold, silver, and platinum jewelry looking brand new. These cloths work wonders in removing dirt and rust, restoring the brilliance of your most cherished pieces. Your valuables will shine like they just came out of the jeweler's shop. Now, the innovation lies in the design. These cloths feature a multi-layer construction, enhancing their durability and cleaning efficiency. It's a thoughtful design that extends the product's life, ensuring you get the best results every time. Remember, these cloths are reusable, making them a practical and eco-friendly choice. However, to maintain their effectiveness, they should not be washed. Transform your jewelry care routine with the 2 PCS Professional Polishing Cloth set by JLKCTEH. It's where quality, convenience, and superior cleaning power converge. Coming in at number 3 on our list of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon is the Pro Size Silver Polishing Cloth. This jewelry cleaning cloth is a must-have for anyone who treasures their precious metals. Picture this: an expansive 11 by 14 inches of pure cleaning power. This large pro-size cloth provides ample surface area, making it incredibly easy to handle and use. Whether you're polishing gold, silver, platinum jewelry, coins, or watches, this cloth has you covered. Imagine the simplicity of its multi-layer, double-sided design. One side, infused with professional cleaning ingredients, effectively removes tarnish, restoring the original brilliance of your metals. The untreated gray flannel on the other side delivers a final, dazzling shine. It's a seamless process that leaves your valuables looking immaculate. Using this cloth is a breeze. Just follow 2 straightforward steps. First, use the white side to clean and polish. Then, finish off with the gray side for that ultimate shine. It's efficient, effective, and oh so satisfying. And here's a key detail. This polishing cloth is reusable, making it a practical and economical choice. Just remember, it's not washable to preserve its cleaning properties. Elevate your jewelry care routine with the Pro Size Silver Polishing Cloth. It's the perfect tool to keep your treasures clean, shining, and protected. At number 2 on our countdown of best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon, we present the SEVENWELL 2 PCS Jewelry Polishing Cleaning Cloth. Imagine this: a large 10 by 12 inches cloth that makes polishing silverware and big pieces of jewelry an absolute breeze. With a sleek gray exterior and a pristine white interior, this cloth is designed to tackle even the toughest tarnish. Safety and care are paramount. The inner part is treated with non-toxic materials, ensuring it's harmless and odor-free. Crafted from ultra-soft cotton, it guarantees your jewelry remains scratch-free while being cleaned. This cloth is more than just a cleaner. It's a great polisher. Envision your gold, sterling silver, platinum jewelry, coins, copper, stainless steel, diamonds, and other precious items shining brightly once more. The SEVENWELL cloth removes dirt and tarnish thoroughly, while adding a protective layer to prevent future tarnishing, keeping your valuables lustrous. The process is simple yet effective. First, use the white interior layer with special cleaning ingredients to eliminate dirt and tarnish. Then switch to the gray outer layer to polish, buff, and shine. Watch as your jewelry transforms from old and dull to brilliantly shiny. These cloths are reusable, making them an economical choice for long-term use. However, to maintain their effectiveness, they should not be washed. Revitalize your treasured items with the 7WELL 2PCS Jewelry Polishing Cleaning Cloth and let your valuables gleam with renewed brilliance. And now, our top pick, the #1 best-selling polishing and buffing product on Amazon, the Mayflower Products Pro Size Polishing Cleaning Cloth. Imagine a cloth that not only cleans but also shines and protects your precious metals. This jewelry polishing cloth is designed for gold, silver, platinum, and other fine valuables. It's more than a simple cleaner. It's a tarnish remover that restores original brilliance and provides a protective layer to prevent new tarnishes. Think about the value it brings. One cloth, 3 functions: silver polishing, gold polishing, and platinum polishing. Perfect for diamond rings and other precious items. Your health and the environment are paramount. The inner part of this cloth is treated with non-toxic ingredients, ensuring it's safe for you and eco-friendly. The 2-step system is a marvel of design. The white flannel, impregnated with cleaning ingredients, cleans and polishes your valuables. The untreated gray flannel then adds a final shine. Both flannels are made of 100% ultra-soft cotton, gentle on your treasured items. Pro size means pro results. Measuring 11 by 14 inches, this large cloth is perfect for polishing silverware, watches, musical instruments, antiques, and larger jewelry pieces. It also offers a better handle for smaller items like rings, coins, and medals. And here's the best part. It's made in the USA with environmentally friendly ingredients. We stand by our product with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Experience the ultimate in jewelry care with the Mayflower Products Pro Size Polishing Cleaning Cloth. Click Add to Cart and start loving the way your fine valuables shine. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling polishing and buffing products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.